All right, welcome again, guys. It's another beautiful day with Dexter Crypto Main. Yes, and today we're going to be talking a lot about futures trade on Binance. We're going to be talking a lot on futures trade. So make sure you have your pen and paper, you pay attention. And if you're yet to share this link, this video to anybody, make sure you do that right away. Because a lot of information is going to be going down tonight. And if you're new to this page, make sure to hit that like button ASAP. Don't waste any time, okay? And don't also hit the subscribe button as well so that you can help our video to be seen by other YouTubers, okay? So that YouTube algorithm can recognize our video. So welcome, guys. Once again, my name is Benson Ikechukwu, popularly known as Dexter, okay? I'm the creator of our Moon Signal platform. All right, guys, you're welcome. Yesterday, I think 2 days ago, I was telling us about tips and tricks you need to know on the crypto space as a trader, so as for you to take advantage of the market. And as for newbies, if it is your first time on crypto videos, you need to go back and watch those videos because they have a lot of information there and it will help you in your crypto journey. And I'm also going to be bringing out new content on how to help you, stay afloat with the latest trend in this crypto space. So guys, make sure to always tune on to this channel for more interesting content. So let me go quickly into the chat box and see those who are there. Okay, welcome Bobby, Bemikuti, Ishola Ridwan, Mamu Barnabas. Okay, and we have Okonkwo Charles, Ola Nubi, Olamide, Patrick, Obinwa, and yet a lot are still joining by the day. So guys, without wasting much of our time, if I say without further ado, yeah, welcome again. Lately we've been seeing that the market is going upside, downside, sideways, and a lot of interesting things have been happening in the crypto space. Oh dear Lord, Bitcoin is 32K. Oh my God, this is the position. I love it. You're gonna love it too. Yeah, because we are making money even when the market is dipping. Okay, quickly, let me go through the crypto market and see what's happening. Today, we have about 10,799 crypto currency assets in the market and over 384 exchanges. And today, the market cap has reduced from $1.5 trillion to $1.3 trillion. And in the past 24 hours, it's $81.2 billion have exchanged hand. All right, and Bitcoin have really, bounced back, okay, with the dominance with the 44.5% of the entire crypto market, while Ethereum have dropped slightly from 19, I think, from 19% to 18.1, and it keeps going like that. And we're going to see a lot of drama coming up in the crypto space in the coming days. Today, Bitcoin is $32,000, 32,852 currently, and it's down by 5.4% in the past 24 hours. In the past 7 days, Bitcoin is down by 2.2%. Ethereum is down by 9% in the past 24 hours and up by 1.18% in the past 24 hours. Yes, Theta is one of the coins that could bring a lot of, hey man, in the crypto market, it's going to bring a lot of craziness. We're going to see the case of Theta, making the market plummet really down. And Binance is at 315 today, down by 6.6% and up in the past 7 days by 8%. So guys, Binance are being probed, in the UK, okay, that they should leave because they don't have rights to operate in the UK. And let's see how this goes, if it's going to affect the Binance platform or they are just going to move into another country again for Asylum. It's crazy. Cardano ADA is at $1.3. That's awesome. And XRP, my favorite crypto asset, I can tell you that it's down by 6.5% in the past 24 hours and down by 6.25% in the past 7 days. And they have a total market cap of $28.8 billion. Oh my God, what happened to those days of $50-60 billion market cap for XRP? Same as Dogecoin. A lot of news have been going around Doge and Elon Musk, Tesla accepting Doge for payments and other stories around the Dogecoin. I believe this is a good entry for anyone. I don't know. The market might still go down, but this is not a financial advice of any sort. So make sure you consult your financial advisor before you make any move, before you buy any crypto. I call, okay, guys. So be very careful. Be very careful. Anything you buy. Okay, let me go see where it's my favorite coin. One of my favorite coins, Shiba Inu. There's a lot going on. After they launched their Shiba swap, okay, we saw a TVL, a total valuation locked of over $1.2 billion in their pool. This is a very huge move for Shiba Inu, even when the market is going down. They made a lot of wave, but it didn't also increase the price of any sort. But I believe in the coming days, we're going to see the upside of Shiba Inu. All right, guys, there's a lot of coin in the market to talk about, but we are not going to be talking about every coin today because we have a direction for today. Yes. And today I'm going to be Luna Crunch. Okay, I'm going to be talking about Luna Crunch. All right, that's beautiful, guys. So, guys, today I'm going to be giving us tip about futures trade and how you could possibly take advantage of the current market situation with futures trade. Like in the past 2 days, I was like, okay, since I know how to do my technical analysis, I know how to do my fundamental analysis about the crypto market, and I see how it waves. It goes up, it goes down. You can see the wave from here. It's really obvious, guys. You can see it's really obvious. It drops from here, down, goes up, down, it goes up again, down, it goes up. You can see that, you can see the rhythm in the market. This is very obvious. And these are parts of the technical analysis which you have to study about the market. This is a 15-minute chart. Let me go to a 1-hour chart. And you can still see the same thing, the same pattern happening in the market: up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Even they still had to go up a bit, up, down. You can still see the same rhythm. But what could you possibly do to determine where the market is actually going to? News. What is the current news about Bitcoin? What is happening? Because you have to be really sharp. You have to be really pay attention to what is happening in the crypto space so as for you to take advantage of the market, take advantage of the swing, because the market is really obvious. You can see these swings, going up, down. These are all indications for you to buy, sell. This is just all opportunity, waving at your front. So currently, as you can see from this chart now, let me use the big trading view. We're on the one week chart. From this chart, you can see Bitcoin is at a support position. This is the support. All right, you can see the support of Bitcoin that was early this month. That was beginning of July. Because today is the 8th of July. And on the 2nd of July, you see Bitcoin picked a support at 32K. And as you can see, Bitcoin also dropped. If you can see the date at the bottom, you can see the date here from the bottom here. You can see also Bitcoin had a support. This is the 1 hour chart. Okay, I will use the 1 day so that for you to see. Bitcoin also had a support for the 32K, had a support for 32K. Okay, this was a support for Bitcoin to still go back. It drops to this level and also picked up from this level. So where it was that bad, you can see we've also been around this 32,000 range, 31,000, 32,000 range for the past week. Okay, this has been a very strong support. Bitcoin 31, 32,000. The major news, this was when we had that China are banning Bitcoin. This was a huge turn up for the crypto markets. But was banning mining, and a lot of mining rigs were being sold off. This is the effect in the market. So it was a very bad news for the crypto market entirely, and it caused the markets to drop massively. So how are you going to possibly take advantage of all these kind of situations, guys? A lot is happening. So you definitely see what has transpired here. It has gone up, to the 36K level. This was around this was in June, the late days of June. Yeah, this was June 29. Bitcoin got to around $36,000. That was a high of $36,000. But since we are not confirmed that we are in a bull season, as in we are not fully confirmed that the bull season have started again, the second wave of the bull season, that means market is still going sideways around the 30,000, 31,000, 32,000 support level. That's where Bitcoin has been finding itself in the past days. Okay, so we have to be very cautious with these sideways trades. So guys, what are you going to do now? So you see, we got to this level and we were rejected at the 6,000, say that 6,600 level, that 6,500 level. We were rejected back down to 32,000. To the 32,000 level, and now from that 32,000 level, it picked up again. You can see this was different days. If you had long Bitcoin from here, you would have made serious, massive profit. So guys, we have found ourselves again at this dangerous spot. We have found ourselves at this dangerous spot. Okay, this is the 1 day chart, 1 hour chart, mind you. We are seeing ourselves now at this spot. So there are two things that could possibly transpire. As you are seeing this chart now, this red candle, you can see this red candle. It may still drop a bit. Let's say towards this level. Let's say towards the 32,600 level, or this support line. Let me draw a line. Okay. No. Let it be a blue line. Bro. All right. So guys, you can see it may still drop towards this level. We could still see this drop. Let me remove it first. Towards this level. Remove all. Delete. Now look at this level here. The price of Bitcoin might still drop down to this range. So mind you guys, this range, look out for this range. Okay, so what are you going to do as a wise trader? What are you going to do? Look at this range. So you could possibly place your trade. You could possibly place an order. You could possibly open an order for 2,500 and wait for this price, this red candle, because it might form another red candle. But as you can see, we already have a confirmation that the price of Bitcoin have rejected this support level of 32,400. It's a very support level for Bitcoin since yesterday. Bitcoin have tested this level again and again and again, and it has bounced back. You can see how many green candles we have there. So automatically, this is a confirmation. 1, 2, 3 candles is a confirmation that we are possibly, now you can see it's turning back green. We are possibly going to go back to the upside. Maybe it was $33,000 or $34,000. But before then, you may not want to enter your trade at the current market price, because it might still drop down towards this level. So mind you, it might still drop down towards this level. So mind you guys, I'm looking towards this direction. I'm looking towards this direction. We might still see Bitcoin, breaking this support, this breaking this resistance line. This is the resistance line of 22,000 to 23K. So in the coming hours, or by today is what? Today is Thursday. The weekends, okay, because of the weekends, I believe the price of crypto might still drop because we are currently in the weekends. Excuse me. We are currently in weekend, and a lot of activity happens in the crypto market. So let's see. So that's why I said if you want to place a trade, you could possibly target from this range and long your Bitcoin. So for me, I will be longing Bitcoin. Okay, see, it has already started. This is a new candle that just formed, and this candle has already started with a green spike. So if you look at the chart closely, you see that it has dropped really badly, and now it is picking back up. You can see from this range, this is the bottom. This is the bottom for this dip, this particular dip, and now the market is retracing up again. So we'll probably see this kind of move again. We will probably see this kind of move. Look at the market. When it dropped from here, it picked up to this level. It picked up to this level and dropped back again from here to this level, to this level here, and now it picked again from here again to this very point, and now it has dropped from this point to this point. So guys, what are you thinking? What are you seeing from this angle? That is to say, we are going back up. Bitcoin is retracing back up. Automatically you could place your trade for, you could long Bitcoin. You could be longing Bitcoin now and expect to see some upside in the coming days. But like I said, you need to know your fundamentals, know what are the news driving the market currently. So for me, I'm longing Bitcoin from here because Bitcoin is still going to kiss the 34,000 range in the coming days. So like I always say, if you see profit, you take profit, okay? Because this market is not your friend. Okay, it's not your friend, and it doesn't go as you expected always. So if you're watching me right now, I'm supposed to long Bitcoin. I'm supposed to long Bitcoin, but okay. So what I want to say, guys, in the past days, I was able to double my money. I sent just $20 to my future account so as to just test if I am still good at futures trade. As you can see, my balance today, I've been able to double my balance from $21 to $140. I have been trading, following the swings. I've been taking advantage of other calls because I get signals. I do my technical analysis and I get signals. Guys, if this thing has to drop again, if this market, okay, let me check, let me see the 1 day candle and know exactly where this market could possibly be going. Let's see. Oh my God. This is the 1 day chart. This is the 1 day chart. That means Bitcoin is still dropping, and possibly I want you guys to see this line. Look at this line, the line under that is there is a support. What's the line? The 32,200 level is a support line for Bitcoin. Check it out, guys. That is this level, this line that this bottom just touched. It's a support line for Bitcoin. This is the last support. So if another candle should break out red, that means this 30,000 or 31,000 plus could be the next support line before it picks up again. So you need to be watchful, okay, what news could possibly be coming out. But aside all this doing all this analysis, you see the market is going sideways. Guys, there's one beautiful thing about this crypto market. This market is preparing to go bullish, go up, because it has been going sideways. These are the very big, huge volatility in the market in the past days. This huge volatility before we drop to this level. But I hear news that Bitcoin could still drop lower to 30K or so, but I don't know how soon that is going to happen. So boys, as you can see, we've been going sideways for a while. We've been going sideways for a while. So the bull market has not ended yet. I'm very sure about that. The bull market has not ended yet, and we would still see more upside. So as a newbie, if you want to take advantage of this market, please take notes of using isolated. Okay, isolated, not cross. Use your isolated, and please don't use 51%. You, as a newbie, you can try with 8 to 10x, 8 to 10x to 15x maximum. You try with 20x or this 25x. Please don't exceed here if you don't have enough confirmation of the market. Please don't exceed. You can only do this when you are pro, or you can only get to this level when you are a pro. So guys, be very conscious about the market. All right. So you can actually take advantage of the market now. Maybe you can place your bets for Bitcoin to go up. As for me, I will possibly be betting for Bitcoin to retrace back, but I'm going to be waiting for the next confirmation candle. I think today is what? Today, I'm going to wait for on the 9th, in the next 1 hour. In the next 1 hour, okay, the next candle is going to form. Okay, so I will place my bets in the next hour. That is on the 9th, tomorrow. We are 3 hours ahead of Nigeria, Ghana, and the rest, some other countries. So in the next 1 hour from now, we are going to be in the next day, on the 9th of July. So guys, I'm going to be placing my bet because this is the 1-day chart, and the 1-day chart is still showing that Bitcoin is a bit bearish. So I want to see the next candle, if the candle is a green candle or a red candle. If it is a red candle, I'm going to wait before I place, because the candle is going to be my next confirmation for me to take my next step. So guys, aside from that, you can still use other mechanism to know if you are going to be longing Bitcoin, or you're going to be shorting Bitcoin, or other cryptocurrency. You know, when Bitcoin goes up, other crypto assets follows it also, follows the trend. Bitcoin controls the market by 44% currently, and it influences other crypto assets. So whenever the price of Bitcoin is going up, a lot of other crypto assets would please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. A lot of other crypto assets are going to follow the same step. So you're going to take advantage of the market. As for me today, okay, let's go back to the 4 hours. Let's see 4 hours chart. Oh my God, my people, can you see this is a very good confirmation that we are going back to the upswing. This is a 4 hours candle. Each candle here represents 4 hours in the market. Each candle here, and the next candle, you see these candles, it's indicating that the market is going up. This is like the last red. This is 2 green candle. This is a confirmation that market is going to go back to the upswing. But before that, you still need another confirmation to to assure you that you could actually place your bet for Bitcoin to long Bitcoin, okay, which is using nomics. So guys, I always use this platform to confirm my trade. Can you see the current price of Bitcoin? The current price of Bitcoin is at 32,800 currently as we speak. This is the current price. Okay. This is the current price. This is the median, the average, or whatever, the 25th percentile, whatever. Okay, and you can see the 1-day change of Bitcoin. You see the 1-day change of Bitcoin. This is the 1-day change of Bitcoin is about -5%. And look at the 7 days prediction for Bitcoin. In the next 7 days, what possibly could be the price of Bitcoin? Have you seen this? Okay, let's read it. Let's read. Below is the 7 days price prediction for each cryptocurrency listed. For each asset, we show the price that our machine learning process believes, that is the AI, believes each asset will be traded at 7 days from today, along with the predicted percent increase or decrease. All right. Note, this price prediction should not be taken as trading or investment advice. So you need to have other confirmation, before you place your bet. Investment and trading in cryptocurrency. Excuse me. Investments and trading in cryptocurrency in crypto assets involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for every investor. Here it is. It's not suitable for everybody. Okay. Valuation of crypto assets, futures. You can see this. They stated it clearly here. Futures and options contracts may fluctuate, and as a result, investors may lose more than their original investment. If you do not fully understand this risk, you must seek independent advice from your financial advisor. All price prediction data is provided at your own risk. Okay. But this doesn't mean that you are not going to use the price prediction. You can see Bitcoin is at 32K now, 34K. How can you take advantage of the market? We are seeing Bitcoin at 32K right now. And what are you supposed to be doing? Maybe placing your bet for long. For me, I've already gotten my confirmation that the price of Bitcoin will go up with these two candles here. With these two green candle, it showed me already. It's not because I'm seeing a two green candle because before I say it has given me a confirmation, but this is a huge confirmation for the past 4 hours. Because you can see it's always been like that. You can see after this huge drop, now you say this is two candle. Remember, I say this is not a guarantee. You can also see two candles from this side. Take an example from here. There was two candles and it still dipped back. There was two candle confirmation and it still dipped back. So please, guys, please note that, like I said, this could be the next support line, could be the 32,200. Bitcoin may. That's why I need to wait for the next candle confirmation before I take my next step. It may still drop maybe to this level, the 32,400 or 32,000, to this level. Somehow you could place your bets, set a limit order to place your bet for Bitcoin to go up, maybe from here. Then once the price, there is a sharp drop, your trade will automatically fill up, and it will start swinging to the upside. So I use nomics a lot, okay, to check this transparency volume. They believe in this trade 31%, okay, 31%, and all that. So guys, you can use all these as a fundamental technical analysis for Bitcoin. And also you can also use let me show you. You can also use the fear and greed index. You can also use the fear and greed index to analyze the market further. You can use the fear and greed index. Where is that thing? To analyze the markets further. I'm going to show you. Look at the, okay, so I'm coming. Where the heck are you? Oh, okay, it's somewhere here. Wallet social rating analysis. Can you see the analysis? Okay, so guys, this is another indicator which you can actually use to place your trade. And you can see everybody is afraid. The market is bearish currently, and when you see the market at this level, it is extremely bearish, extremely fear. People are afraid. You can see so much bearish. Where else do you think this market want to go? Is it going to break down here? So it's extremely bearish. That means the market is red. The market is really, really red. This is when smart investors, they invest. This is when they come into the market, when the market is actually bad. Okay, so all these institutions, these government big boys in the market, they do everything possible to see that the price of Bitcoin and every asset drop so that they can buy in. So don't be deceived. As you are holding for long, those people that hold Bitcoin, Bitcoin hodlers, they make more profits than people. There's some people that trade, so they know what's up. They don't sell despite the market volatility. So guys, this is another indicator that we are going to be bullish very soon, because everything is at the bottom now. This is like at the bottom, so soon it will start picking up again. I'm very sure about that. I'm very sure. And these are all indicators. Everything is on the red axis. Everything is here. The money is red. large transaction is down. No large transactions coming in now. Can you see? The market is not that volatile, and concentration, signal value is still down because everything is down. So, and this is just sentimental analysis. You can see more signals if you want to go deeper. I'm going to go deeper in another video with this. Okay, this was where I was able to predict the price of Bitcoin getting to 65K and dropping back to 28K. Yeah, it has not gotten to 28K yet, but I predicted Bitcoin to go down to 28K or thereabout. So, you need to use all this what they call on-chain analysis. They call it on-chain analysis. Okay, you see on-chain analysis of Bitcoin. All right, deeper information about cryptocurrency. And okay, let me see if you're not sure. Let's see the 1 week chart. Can you see the 1 week chart? Bitcoin is already found a support. Look at that support I was telling us about. Look at that support. This line, this below line. This below line, there's the 31K line, support line. Bitcoin could possibly touch that level. This is just a 1 week chart. And Bitcoin have been going sideways. You can see 1 week, it has been going sideways. There is no major upswing. And from all indication here, from all indication, I think Bitcoin has dropped to 28K. I'm a genius. I predicted Bitcoin to drop to 28K. Can you see? Can you see this last bottom? It was 28,500. If you think I'm lying, if you think I'm joking, I will show you that on my video. I did that video. I did that video somewhere. I had that video. This is another effective way to trade. This is it. This is the video here. You can check the video. You can check that video. Okay, you can check that video and see where I predicted how Bitcoin could drop in value. So guys, these are all indicators you can use to actually take advantage of the market. Okay, and another interesting platform. I know there are a lot of them. Another interesting platform which you can actually take advantage of to know the price of crypto assets and take advantage of the market. Know where the market is pulling towards. It's social listening for crypto. This is lunacrunch.com. lunacrush.com. It gives a coin of the day. You can actually search for coin of the day, know which coin is going to pump before it pumps. Okay, you can know which coin. They post coin of the day. You need to sign up, you need to log in. I don't have an account yet, but you need to log in. Look at the coin of the day. Can you see the coin of the day? Theta coin of the day. They've given out this coin. Let's see Theta if something actually happened to Theta. Let's see if there was an uptrend on Theta. Look at the coin here today. Okay. In the past 24 hours, I think in the past 24 hours, volume 24 hours. See, there was some good percentage. Imagine making a 149% in the past 24 hours from just a coin that they call the coin of the day. Can you see the coin of the day? Theta token. The Theta token. You can see the Theta token. Theta. Look at the coin. Theta. You can see people have made money from this, in the past 24 hours. It has gone up by 149%. Imagine, turning your money, your $100 or your $1,000, you have almost $1,500 extra as profit for your trade. So all these things are, look at coin of the day. By 1 a.m., every 1 a.m., you can come back to this platform and it's going to show you the coin of the day, which you can trade for maximum profit. You can see, and they're really doing well. Coin, they're doing well. Look at the analysis, social volume, the total social engagement, total shared link, active contributors, sentiment, social sentiment. for this particular coin of the day. Can you imagine, guys? You can get information of the coin market currently from here. So guys, and another way which you can actually take advantage of this market is that someone is saying, stop calling it bet. Crypto is not bet Niger. they don't bet on cryptocurrency move. You trade based on confluences. Yeah, thank you, Salam. Yeah, thank you, Salam. Well, I'm just calling it bets because you are betting if it is going to go up or if it is going to go down. Either way, it's a trade. You're betting your money. So futures trade is just like a bet, okay? This is not holding, but you're trading through the confluence. Thank you for that correction. And okay, all right, nice. Very nice. And on another way you could possibly take advantage of this market. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. You see the 1 hour chart is still red. Let's go back, check the 15-minute chart. If there is a green confirmation, look at that line. It has dropped back to this. This is like the past 15 minutes. It dropped to this level. But we have a good confirmation that the Bitcoin will be going to the upswing. So another way you can take advantage of this kind of market is using leverage token. Please, it's using leverage token. If we search for, okay, let's say you search for not futures trade. Let me go to the normal trade. If you search for beer, let's say beer. Okay, Bitcoin BTC up. Now because you can see BTC up. That is Bitcoin up is down by 10%. Bitcoin up is down by 10%, while Bitcoin down will be up. Can you see it? Please, this is the juicy part of this. This is the juicy part of this lesson, because if you can take advantage of futures trade, please take advantage of leverage token. But the only way you take advantage of leverage token, you don't buy them and hold them for long. Please don't buy them and hold them, because they're going to be charging you for holding the coin for too long. Okay, they charge service fee. All right. So because Bitcoin is going down, because the price of Bitcoin is going down, BTC down, because the price of Bitcoin is going down, you can see that it has increased in value. The Bitcoin down has increased in value. But if Bitcoin is, since we know that Bitcoin will be going up in the next coming days, I'm going to be buying Bitcoin up. By tomorrow, we're going to check the market again. Next tomorrow, we'll observe the market and see where it goes to. I could buy Bitcoin up. Please don't hold these tokens for long. Whenever you buy them, whenever you see any small profit from them, you can see it has changed to -9. That is, that's reduced. This is like a confirmation that Bitcoin will be going up. This Bitcoin will be going back up. So you could buy BTC up. You could buy BTC. Now you can see it's reducing. You could hold BTC up. And while the price of Bitcoin is going back up, this your BTC up will be times, not the normal. If Bitcoin goes up by 1%, it will go up by 3%. Or it will go up by 4%, go up by 4%, or 5%, or 10%. So mind you, if Bitcoin does 1%, it's not 1% holding this leverage token, it's more. So guys, these are basic tools which you could actually use, to take advantage of this market. And I'm going to be taking advantage of this current market position today. So without further ado, if you have a question, you quickly ask your question. You quickly put your question or raise your hand quickly. I don't want to spend too much time here. It's really late right now. Yeah. So if you have a question, you just put up your hand quickly and I will answer your question. But if you understand, if you grasp what I just showed us today, you can also indicate on the chat box if you grasp what I said. Okay, Magnus, you can lower your hand and unmute yourself.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, please, thank you once again for the lecture and what you have been doing. My question is on nomics, like you said on Lunar Crush. On nomics, do you have to sign up before you see the prediction? Because I went there and on the 7 days prediction is blank. So when you click, it will give me these messages, and there is nowhere to confirm or to remove it, and I can't see anything there.
Okay, you need to click these. Can you hear me?
Yes.
You need to click the 7 days prediction. It will take some time for it to load. It will definitely load, and when it loads, you're going to see the prediction for the rest of the crypto assets. No, you don't need to sign up. You don't need to sign up, but if you sign up, it's still fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Taking red wine. I'm taking red wine, so
Enjoy.
thank you. Thank you, guys. So, quickly, if you have another question, you can ask your question. And like I told us, please always put your question in the group and refer them for the next video, okay? So that I will come quickly and do those videos. And mind you, I'll be going to Kenya. I'll be traveling to Kenya next tomorrow. So that I should go, build some crypto network, teach new people about crypto, bring the people of Kenya closer. And I'm also going to be doing tour to Seychelles, Rwanda, El Salvador. I'll be going to El Salvador. So I'm making plans to make all this move. So before I now touch down to Nigeria. So guys, if you have another question, quickly raise your hand. Let me know. But if we don't have any question, we could call it a day, right? If you don't have any question, if you understand, please let me know on the chat box if you understand everything I just showed us. Mr. Sean Klosh, Sean, Sean, did you get the option, or do you still need more clarity, Mr. Sean? Mr. Sean, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Sean, are you clear? Okay, Mr. Sean, you can lower your hand and ask a question. Unmute yourself and ask a question. You can make a contribution. Oh, Mr. Sean, I can hear you. I can hear you. Unmute yourself. Okay. Mr. Sean doesn't want to speak. All right. Thank you so much. I believe you understand everything. Mr. Bobby said, please, I need clarity on advantage of token. I don't understand your question. It's not straight. Make it clearer so that I understand what you're saying. Able to use myself. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Sean. You can okay, Mr. Bobby, you can unmute yourself and lower your hand. Ask a question now quickly.
I missed when you were talking about advantage of quiz. Like I missed when you don't hold tokens on Binance.
Okay, the disadvantage of holding
Okay, disadvantage. Okay, yeah.
disadvantage of holding leverage token is that you pay service charge if you hold it too long. And let's say you buy Bitcoin, you bought Bitcoin down when Bitcoin was $32,000, you bought Bitcoin down, but the price of Bitcoin started going down further. Let's say going down to 30,000, 29, 28. Yes, you start paying for service fee, service charges, for them to still hold your position with that leverage coin you bought. You have to be paying service fee. You'll be paying out of your trading position. You'll be paying service charges or from your balance. So it's not really cool. So that's why you need to get your fundamentals right and your technical analysis right. And maybe I may not be very good at technical analysis now, but guys, you should be able to follow up some technical analysis platform like on TradingView. They talk about the Bitcoin price volatility. You can check TradingView, tradingview.com. You can sign up there. You get to see where Bitcoin could possibly go in the next 2 days, next 3 days, and you can take advantage of those charts with already what you know. Okay, you must not be a pro to do the technical analysis by yourself. Other people have done it. Okay, just go and copy their analysis and make your trade decision. That's another better way of trading. And somebody is saying, Sean Clutch, unable to mute myself. Unmute. Mr. Sean Clutch, okay, you can try to unmute yourself again. I've done it for you. Seems I need another phone. Okay, my question goes to you. Okay, can I acquire XRP Bull now? How long can we hold before we get charged? I just explained, if you hold the coin too long from the position whereby you expect it to go up, let's say you bought XRP Bull, you're expecting XRP to go up so that you make more gain. But that when you bought that XRP Bull, it started going down further beyond, normally on futures trade, you should have gotten a liquidation call. They might have liquidated you. If you are using futures trade, they may have liquidated you, but leverage token is still going to hold your position. Maybe after your liquidation margin position is 100%, you are supposed to be liquidated, but no, your leverage token will still hold your position. But while it's holding that position for you, the exchange platform will be charging you service fee. They will be charging you either from your bets, from the before some people say it's me up, either from your what you staked, okay, what you opened the market with, okay, they're going to take from your balance or your spot balance. They're going to be taking that service fee. So be careful. You need to have a good confirmation that the price is the Salem, the price will be going up. You need to have a good confirmation, okay? Even if the price drops a bit to a level and it's not that bad, it could still pick up again and continue from there. So you just have to get a good confirmation. It's not only Bitcoin. You can still take this advantage on other crypto assets. But aside from that, I also give futures signals, okay? But I don't give it to everybody, just my paid students, okay? If you actually want to be getting those futures there, you're welcome, Mr. Shanklosh. If you want to be getting those future signals, I was able to turn my $100, my $21 to $108. It was actually 130 something dollars. So I had to pay for transactions. I had to take a little bit and send to my MetaMask for transaction fee, so that I wanted to use. So guys, I was growing it little by little. And if you want to get my future signals, you could actually pay for that. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be giving out free, so that you don't come and charge me that I give you signal that blow up your money and all that. So with that all being said, I think it's been an interesting moment with you guys. I think if you've gotten value, kindly mention value on the chat box. And if you are new to this video, to this page, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to this page. Okay, share the link to your friends, your family, and let them also subscribe. If you have gotten value, just type value on the comment box, on the comment section, and I'm going to be uploading this video. Yes, Mr. Sean Clutch, $800. Yes, Mr. Sean Clutch, $800. I'm seeing $800. You want to give me $800? All right, we'll do this. We'll do this again. Mr. Sean Clutch is my personal student. He's made a payment of instead of $1,000, a payment of $800, and he has every right to come to my inbox me, ask me questions, and yeah, I'm gonna be there answering him at any time. So guys, with all that being said, I think I'll call it a day. I just want to thank God for making this possible, for making this call, and I pray that whoever that is watching this video, is impacted with knowledge, and that they get to learn better and become better and better trader in the crypto space. So thank you all, guys. I remain yours faithfully, B Benz, Benson Ikechuku, Dexter. Okay, and on Signal, we're good. So have a great night, guys.